Hi guys, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to set up or replace the ink cartridge for the HP printer. The model I have is the DexJet. Right now, the printer is on. You guys can see that the light is on. To get started, we're gonna turn off the printer first. Press the power button to turn off the printer. Right now, it's completely off. There's no flashlight. The next step is open paper tray right here, and you're gonna see there's another tray. The ink cartridge is inside. Let's open it. You're gonna pull it down to open it, and you see right now the ink cartridge is hiding on the other side of the printer, and there's nothing in between. So to be able to make the ink cartridge show up, what you can do is turn on the printer again. You can see that the printer is off right now. All the light is off. When you turn it on, you're gonna see the ink cartridge moving. So let's press the power button to turn it on. And you can see that right now the ink cartridge is moving in the middle of the tray so that you can touch it. So this is one tip, is you can turn on or turn off the printer. Just make the change on the printer status to make the ink cartridge moving. You can turn it off, and now when the ink cartridge is showing up, you can remove it to replace the ink cartridge. And if you already turn off the printer, you see my printer right here is turned off, all the lights is off, and when you look inside this tray, you didn't see any ink cartridge. Probably it's hiding on the left. You see it's hiding right here. So to be able to replace the ink cartridge, you need to get the ink cartridge moving to the middle of the tray right here. You can try to turn on the printer like I just showed with you guys, or one thing you can do is you can hold the ink cartridge and pull it like this. So you can move it by your hand to the position that you like I can pull it into the middle, and then when it's at this position, you can start replacing the ink cartridge. Just put it down and you can remove it or replace it, or you can install it again. So that is one quick tip for you to move the ink cartridge. You just need to use your hand and move it like this. There's a label here to show this is for the color ink cartridge and this is for the black. So the way you can remove it is just press it down to remove it. This is the color one. And the same for the black one, which is on the right side. Press down to remove it. So this is the way you remove the ink cartridge for the printer HP DexJet. That is the model of the printer I have. So to start replacing or install the ink cartridge, you're gonna remember the position of the color and the black ink cartridge. The color one is on the left side and the black is on the right side. And here I have the original HP ink cartridge for the color one. I'm gonna install this first. So the way you install is this one with the electronic board right here. It's gonna facing the printer. The same with the illustration right here. You see some yellow dot, put it facing the printer. When you hear the click, you're good to go. And same for the black ink cartridge. You see right here there's some yellow dot on the electronic board. Just put it facing the printer. Just like this. Push it when you hear the click. That is good to go. So right now you have the ink cartridge installed for the printer HP DexJet 4100E model. You can close this tray right now. The printer is ready to print. You can turn on the printer and press a button to test. So that is a step for you to set up or replace the ink cartridge for the HP DexJet 4100E model. Thank you for the watching. Bye.
Nếu các bạn thấy hay, các bạn hãy nhấn nút like, thích và subscribe, đăng ký để ủng hộ EasyTech Class nha. Cảm ơn các bạn nhiều.